So the next topic is which is related to the round table conference. So the first round table conference, which was held at London, 12 November 1932, 19 January 1931. So 58 political leaders from British India, 16 delegates from the native princely state, 16 delegates from the three British political parties. So Congress was unhappy with the Simon Commission and hence boycotted the first roundtable conference. So British realized that discussing about constitutional reforms for India without Congress representative is worthless. So the Indian National Congress decided not to participate in the conference. Many of the INC leaders were imprisoned due to their involvement in the civil disobedience movement. So among the British Indians, the following representatives attended the conference: Muslim League, Hindus Justice Party, Sikh Liberals Parties, then like Anglo-Indians, Europeans, landlords, labor, women, universities, and then they are the representative from the government of India. So the first round table conference was just a failure for us also. Then there is also the second round table conference, which was held in London from 7th September 1931 to 1st December 1931, with the participation of Gandhiji and the Indian National Congress, that is the INC. So the British delegates belonging to various political parties, including the British Prime Minister James Ramsay MacDonald, Indian princely states represented by Maharaja princes and divans. Then British Indians represented by Indian National Congress, that is INC, and then Mahatma Gandhi ji, है ना, and the Muslims like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Aga Khan III, Muhammad Iqbal, etc. Hindus by M.R. Jakar, depressed class, which is by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, women Sarojini Naidu, etc. Liberals, Justice Party, Sikh, Indian Christians, Parsis, Europeans, Anglo-Indians, industry, labor, landlords, Sindh and the other provinces. So the session started on 7 September 1931. The major difference between the first and the second conference was that the INC was participating in the second one. This was one of the result of the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. So another difference was that unlike the previous time, British PM MacDonald was heading not a Labour government but a national government. The Labour Party had been topped 2 weeks before in Britain. So the British decided to grant a communal award for representing minorities in India by providing for separate electorate for minority communities, and Gandhiji was against this. So in this conference, Gandhi ji and Ambedkar differed on the issue of separate electorate for the untouchables. So Gandhi ji was against treating untouchables as a separation from the Hindus community. This issue was resolved through the Pune Pact of 1932. Yes, that is the Pune Pact. Then the second roundtable conference was deemed a failure because of the many disagreement among the participants. While the INC claimed to speak for a whole of the country, other participants and leaders of other parties constructed to this claim. Then the third roundtable conference took place between 17th November 1932 and 24th December 1932. So only 46 delegates in total took part in the conference. The INC and the Labour Party decided not to attend it. Then the Indian princely states were represented by the princes and the divans. British India were represented by Aga Khan, depressed class, women, Europeans, Anglo-Indians and the labor group. Now the outcomes was not much achieved in this conference also. The recommendation of the conference was published in a white paper in 1933 and later discussed in the British Parliament. So the recommendation were analyzed and the Government of India Act of 1935 was passed on its basis.